This is my drawing of Lego Batman, and today I'm going to guide you through all the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the inside edge of the brow. So you can draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now on the ends, let's curve the brow, coming in and up on the left and right side. From the ends, we're going to draw a straight angled line, going up and all the way out towards the edge of the eye, and draw that same length line going up on the right. Let's round out the edge of the eye, coming around and then in. Now from the inside corner, I'm just going to curve this down and out with a short line. Let's connect the outside to the inside with a straight angled line. Let's add a thick bevel around the side of the eye. Starting from the top left, curve this around and then in towards the bottom. Now from here, draw a straight angled line coming down and in. And line that up on the right. And then from here, bend this in and up towards that inside corner. Let's draw two lines coming down the side of the nose. So from the center, move over to the left, draw a straight line coming down to right about there. Draw that same length line on the right. And then we'll flatten off the bottom. From the bottom corners of the nose, we're going to bend the mask, going up and then out. Now let's draw on the side of the nose. From the inside left eye, angle this down and then out. On the outside, draw a straight angled line coming down and in. Now curve the bottom, coming around, out, and then up. Let's add a thick bevel along the side. So on the top left, angle this down and in towards the bottom. And then the bevel along the bottom is going to be a little bit thinner. So going all the way around, just following that same curve. Let's draw the mouth tucked in underneath the nose. So on the left side, we're going to bend the mouth going out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Round the corner of the mouth, going up and then down towards the right. And then we're going to separate the teeth. On either side, draw a short line coming in. And then want to cross this like a T. And then fill the bottom corners in black. Let's add a short line across the middle of the lip. And then underneath the mask on either side, we're going to add a fold. Let's enhance the brow with two folds along the top, leaving a gap in the center. Start on the left. We're going to go up and then out. From the top of the eyes, we're going to add a bevel going up and then out towards the base of the ear. So from the top left corner of the eye, step in, go straight up, and then bend that out to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right, going straight up and then bending that out. Let's flatten off the inside of the ear with a straight angled line, going up and then in. And we'll curve the top of the head. From the left, going up and then down. Let's go back to the bottom corner of the ear. Just going to bend the ear, going around and then up towards the top. And then from the top, bend the ear, coming down and then in. Let's flatten off the top edge of the ears. Now I want to curve the head going around and then down towards the jaw. So let's start with the left. We're going to go out, come all the way around the side, and then down towards the bottom to right about there. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Going out, go around the face, and then bring that down towards the same height. Let's round up the jaw. Just follow the curve of the head up towards the right side. Now we're going to continue that bevel from the bottom of the eye from this point, going around the mouth area and then down. Now from the bottom corner of the head, we're going to step in, draw two straight lines going out across the top of the shoulders. Let's round out the shoulders, bend this out, and then down towards the bottom of our page. Let's go back to the center of the body. We're going to draw a large oval for the bat symbol, starting underneath the chin, going all the way around, coming in towards the middle, go back up to the top and draw on the right side. Now let's draw on that bat symbol. Starting from the very top, we're going to start with a curve coming down and up across the ears. On the left side, then it's down, around, and then up. Let's follow that curve of the oval, going around the wing, come down, and then in. Let's move to the center, add a point. Now from this point, we're going to bend this up toward the left, and then bend that down. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the bottom of the wing with one more curve on either side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Lego Batman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.